This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
From inside the rear cargo area, remove the rear mat and storage tray from the floor. Then, remove the foam block in the spare tire well. Remove the lower seat belt anchor bolt cover, then remove the bolt. Disengage the mounting clips and pry off the liftgate scuff plate. If equipped, unscrew the cargo net hooks. Carefully pry off the upper portion of the quarter trim panel. Remove the plastic push pin type retainers. Remove the quarter trim panel and disconnect any electrical connectors. Remove the upper shock absorber mounting nuts. Remove the rear wheel. Support the rear lower control arm with a floor jack. Then, remove the lower shock absorber nut and bolt. Maneuver the shock out of the vehicle. Installation is in reverse of the removal procedure.